In this video, I will show you how to create before and after wipe animation in Photoshop. You can save it as GIF file or render it as a video file. First of all, create a new file with standard video resolution. An artboard will be created. Double-click on artboard 1 and rename it as animation. Now go to File and click Place Embedded. Select the after file from File Explorer. Follow same steps for before file. If your files are not aligned to artboard, you can transform it for fixation. Rename the topmost layer as before and bottom layer as after. Now go to Windows and click Timeline. Click Create Video Timeline. Video timeline will be created from both layers with default timing. Adjust the timing of both layers. In this video, I am going to create animation of 3 seconds. Select Before layer and click on Mask button to create white mask. Press D for default colors, select Mask and use Alt-Delete to fill it with black color. In Timeline, expand the Before layer. In Layers panel, unlink the mask from photo, hold Shift key and move the mask to left side of artboard. In Timeline, enable the stopwatch of layer mask position to create keyframe. Move the play head to 1 second and drag the mask to right side of artboard. Photoshop will automatically create new keyframe. Now drag play head to 2 seconds and add another keyframe. Then move to 3 seconds, and drag the mask to left side again. To view animation, use the spacebar or play button. To render it as a video, go to Timeline menu and render it as a video file. To create GIF image, go to File, Export and Export for Web. Choose file format as GIF and save it. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn more, subscribe my channel for more tips and tricks of Photoshop.